Hello everyone and welcome to Khan's Tech Lab. As in the previous session of Oracle series, we have learned how to install Oracle database Express Edition in Windows machine, and we had tried to connect to it using the universal database client, which is debugger. So in this session, we will learn how to install and connect to how to install the SQL developer, which is the official client of Oracle, and then how to connect to it using how to connect to database using SQL Developer. SQL Developer. Let me go to the official page and let us try to download this. Download SQL Developer. And here let us use Windows 32 or 64-bit download. Alright, the SQL Developer has been downloaded. Let me go to the downloads folder and take it to a proper location, which is tools folder. And let me extract this. The SQL Developer has been extracted. And now let me check for the SQL Developer application, which is this one. All we have to do is double click it. Let me select no. As you can see, the Oracle SQL Developer has been installed. Now let us try to connect to the database. So let us give some name, Oracle XE, and database type is Oracle. Authentication type is default, and the username is system. Password is also system. In my machine it is system. As per your machine, you please adjust it. Save the password. As you can see here, host name is localhost, port is 1521, and SID is XE. So let me test it. As you can see here, the status is success. I can also connect from here. You can see Oracle XE database has been connected. We can see the tables list also. These tables belong to the system schemas. So this is the way we can download and install the Oracle SQL Developer and connect to the SQL Oracle database. In the upcoming videos, we will discuss more about how to use this SQL Developer. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.